Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Rachel Zoe Box of Style for winter 2018. Rachel Zoe Box of Style is a quarterly subscription, so it comes winter, spring, summer, and fall, and it has lifestyle products in the box. It retails for $99 a quarter, but if you sign up for an annual subscription, you can get it down cheaper. If you sign up with my link below, you can actually get $25 off of your first box, which is actually great if you want to try it out, so I will link that below for you. So without further ado, let's get in the box. If you're into unboxings, I do lots of different ones, so go ahead and subscribe. So the way that this box came actually had one of the items in the box was inside. So we'll go ahead and start with this. So this is a tote bag. It has the short handles as well as the long handle. And let me open the box and see if there's a card. So yeah, so there we go. Let me see if I can find out a little bit more about it as well as the retail value. So this is the Jules K vegan leather tote exclusive to the box, and it retails for $150. So it is a cute tan bag. In the inside, that's what it looks like. There's no inside pockets or anything like that. And then it does have the shoulder strap as well. Obviously, you'll want to take the plastic wrap off. I don't have a tote bag like this, so it's really nice, though I do wish it had like some sort of a pocket inside, but I think that's cute. Tote bags have been on trend with these lifestyle subscription boxes this year. So the box is rose gold this time, and it's smaller than it has been in the past. When you open it up, it says "Hello, gorgeous," and has the cute rose gold paper as well. So it is an expensive box, but you do tend to get really high quality items in it. So so I get a happy anniversary. I guess this is the year box. Oh, so because I've been with them a year, they gifted me a Jules K pouch to match the purse. I guess because this is my full year subscription. This is the last box of the year. Though I will obviously continue to stay subscribed. So that's really cute, so that I can stick it inside. Now you wouldn't be getting this unless you're, I guess, have been subscribed for a year, but it's super cute and cool, and I'm thankful to have that. So I think if you've been subscribed for a year, you do get a gift in your bag. So the next thing I'm pulling out is by Sunday Riley, and this is their Luna Sleeping Night Oil, and retails for $105. So if you wanted the night oil, then obviously it's cheaper to get the box than to buy the oil. I have a sample of this oil, and I do enjoy it. Because I have oily skin, I know that oils actually can be really good. I just get nervous about them, but I am excited to try it out. I'm not a huge fan of the way that it smells, but it is a retinol oil. Let's see if I can pull it out of the packaging without harming it. Oops. So there it is. It does, oh no, look like there has been some leakage. Oh, and I got it all over my hand, so I will have to check on that before I touch it with a bunch of things. I want to make sure the bottle isn't broken, but it does unfortunately look like mine just kind of leaked. That's unfortunate, because that is expensive stuff, so every little drop counts. I'm rubbing that in. Oh, and you can see here that the whole back of the box is soaked in the oil, so mine did seep out as well as into the silica packet that was in there, and all in the inside. That's unfortunate, so I need to check and see. Let me see how much oil. It's too oily to open. I'll have to check after this to see how much oil is left in and whether I need to reach out to customer service, because if a lot of the oil has gone out, hopefully they can replace that for me. The next thing that I am pulling out is from Eddie Borgo, and this is the Soho watch, which is exclusive and retails for $115. If you get this box, let me know. Did your oil leak too? I wonder if it was just a one-off, because I know sometimes boxes have issues with the packaging as well. So that's kind of, this is Eddie Borgo there. And that is what the watch looks like on the inside. So I have very skinny wrists, so I'm very interested to see whether this will fit me or not. So let me see if I can take these little plastic bits off. Might be a little bit more difficult than I thought for opening on camera, but let's just go ahead and see if I can rip it off. At least the one with the holes so that I can get it on. So we have a snowstorm here in Virginia, so it's been really nice and peaceful and relaxing, and lots of snowball fights and fun stuff like that. So let's see if I can, get this on my wrist, if it will fit on my wrist. So this is a little bit interesting to work with, but it does fit on my wrist. Oops, it's over my sweater. I'll just show it like that. So it will fit on my wrist. I have a skinny wrist, so, and there's that many holes left, 3 holes. So it will fit and it will work for me, so I am excited for that. The metal is not very flexible though, so it's a little bit challenging, but I think that is a gorgeous watch and I'm super excited to wear that. Then from Love AJ, these are the Marquise Diamond disc statement rings, exclusive, and they retail for $85. And I believe we get to choose between rose gold and gold, and mine came completely shattered and broken. So this is a really disappointing box. I'm gonna have to reach out to customer service because obviously this ring, you can't wear it, and my oil spilled everywhere. That's really disappointing. The oil I could have gotten over, but the ring, there's not a whole lot you can do about that. So after this video, I will be emailing customer service and sending them pictures of the problems here. All right, disappointing. This is the first time I've ever had like a shipping issue with the box, but I'm guessing with those rings, I'm not going to be the only one who had them crushed. Then the last item is from Amica Velveteen. This is their Dream Smoothing Balm, and it retails for $25. This, I think, helps against heat protection and tames frizz. I blow dry my hair in the mornings, so this will be good as far as the heat styling goes, so I'm excited for this as well. So I think it was a good box. Had my oil not leaked and my ring not been broken, I will reach out to customer service. I've never had to test their customer service before, so this will be very interesting to see. When I get a response or when I see how their customer service is, I will leave you the information down below so that you can see. I've heard some not so good stuff about their customer service, but I've also heard good stuff, so I'm not really sure, but we're going to be testing that out to see how it is. If you do want to sign up for this box, like I said, I have the $25 off code that I will link below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.